What's the meaning of antechamber? Antechamber. 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 Antechamber.
An antechamber is a small room or space that serves as an entrance or waiting area to a larger room. It is commonly found in grand buildings, such as palaces, mansions, and government buildings. An antechamber is usually located adjacent to the main room and serves as a transitional space, providing a buffer zone between public and private areas. This allows visitors to adjust to the surroundings before entering a more formal setting. Antechambers can be elaborately decorated with furniture and artwork, further emphasizing the importance of the main room beyond.